Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. You can see that I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. For the body of my test swatch, I did already make half double crochet stitches. And then on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to make a half double crochet shell stitch into this second stitch right here on the row that I'm currently working. Shell stitches are just stitches that are made up of, how many times am I going to say stitches in this? It is a stitch made up of a bunch of other stitches in one chain, stitch, or space. So for the half double crochet, we're going to be making a bunch of half double crochet stitches into the same stitch right here. So I usually do between 3 and 5 for my shell stitches. You can do as many as you want really for the project that you are currently working. So I'm going to go ahead and work 5 into this first stitch right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm then going to anchor it down by skipping one and putting a single crochet right here. You can see that it looks like a little shell. So that is what your shell stitch is going to look like. I'm then going to skip another. I'm going to work a shell into this one. So 1 double half double, 2 half double, 3, 4, and 5. Again, I'm going to skip one, do one single. The reason I'm skipping one is you can see how wide these stitches are, and if you put them too close together, your work will start waving and getting really weird because they are so big. So you want to space them out. Okay, so I'm going to work another one right here. So it's going to be 1 half double, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see I worked them all into this one stitch right here. Skip one, I'm going to do a single here. All right, my last one, I'm going to work 5 into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to do a single in this last stitch. So that is going to be how to make the half double crochet shell stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.